Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm going to tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. I want to welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe on my Crave Growth platform. You don't know, you don't see it. No, it's that one here. That one here, we're going to big up the app. See? The app in Wolverhampton. You know, see it. I want to big up man like Charlie. I want to big up man like Jabby. You know, see it. I want to big up man like Japal. You know, see it. Yeah, man, Jabani, Japal, all of them, man, the big man, them in the place. All stalwart from long time. Big up yourself, Charlie. You know, see it. Man, they hold on the fort, hold on the program. You know? Yeah, man, we give thanks. You know, see it. So, I'm an observer, a breaking story. You know, see it? Where them finally charge a man for the murder of Tupac Shakur. That was long time coming. See, from I observation. See, can watch it now. Tupac meant a lot. A whole lot to the community, to the black community, regardless of temperament. You know, it was bad but not so bad. You know, you don't know. Every genius have a little shakiness about them. I want to say shakiness, you know what I mean, in a wrong way. You know, we attack. You know, yeah. See, so when you see that happen, every fan, and people who wasn't fan became fan and things like that, and even to this day, the man's tune still resonate amongst youth and youth. You know, see? So it was really an unfortunate situation for the whole black community, not just the Tupac and them family. You know, see? And when you see, you know, I can read the story and then we'll delve in it a little more. Tupac Shakur, man charged over 1996 murder of a rapper. Charged, you know. Yeah. See, Las Vegas police have charged a man with the murder of rapper Tupac Shakur nearly 3 decades ago. Nearly there just 2 times from the sleep. The hip-hop legend was shot 4 times in a drive-by shooting in Las Vegas in 1996. The identity of his killer has been a mystery. On Friday, Dwayne Keefe Davis was indicted by a grand jury in Nevada on 1 count of murder with a deadly weapon. Shakur was only 25 at the time of his death. Prosecutor Mark DeGiancomo described Mr. Davis as the on-ground, on-site commander who ordered the death of Shakur. CBS News, the BBC's US partner, reported. Mr. Davis, 60, was arrested this morning while walking near his home, the prosecutor added. Shakur died on the 13th of September 1996, a week after he was shot 4 times in his car while waiting at a red light. The death of the rapper, one of the most acclaimed in hip-hop, has inspired several documentaries. Radio host Mike Moose, responding to news of the arrest, told ABS News Tupac was a prolific rapper, poet, actor. His lyrics today still serve such a blueprint to culture and society. This is why his death has always loomed over us for so long, over what actually happened to him. At the time of his death, the rapper was embroiled in a feud with rap rival Biggie Small, who himself was shot and killed 6 months later in March 1997. The East Coast-West Coast rivalry defined hip-hop during the mid-1990s. Shakur has been signed to Los Angeles-based Death Row Record, while Small was represented by New York City-based Bad Boys Record. The argument ignited after Shakur was shot during a robbery in the lobby of New York City, in the lobby of should be in the lobby of a New York City hotel. Shakur accused Small of having prior knowledge of the shooting. Shakur, whose stage name was styled as Tupac, released his debut album in 1991. He sold more than 75 million records worldwide, enjoying chart success with hits including California Love, All Eyes on Me, and Changes. He also found success acting in films like Juice, Poetic Justice, Above the Rim, Gridlocked, and Gang Related. In June this year, the rapper received a posthumous star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Yeah. Now, you know, it's the BBC, you know, a white-owned newspaper, a mourn and a lament the loss of a prolific rapper. You know, see, much less, but the heartbreaking thing about that is how much the community sit back and allow this thing to reach to the point where it reach, you know. All the while we sit down and watch, we profit them, you know, start water for community, lose them lives some little shady way, and just make it go on. You know, see, now I said a man for go rat, but the man will do it, supposed to get, you know, supposed to just comfortable with it, so and just go about in business as normal and all them, because we are the Rasta. You know, see, and then when you observe the characteristics of the guy we're responsible for, the guy we charge for, even though it's just a charge, you know, we yet to see a conviction. You know, see, we yet to see a conviction. But again, the evidence is clear, because we see a video with the said brother there, with on Vlad TV, where Vlad tell him, say, Mike Tyson say he would have loved 5 minutes in a room with the man who killed Tupac. And before him say good luck to Mike Tyson and the man there, yeah, the man arbitrarily informed on himself on national TV, it up on YouTube right now, you can go check it out. Informed on himself and talk about, tell him I would have like 1 minute with him. You know, basically him attack say, if Marvin gone, I just 1 minute he needed Mike Tyson. Inform on himself in the public, as far as I'm concerned. Just to, you know, see it for some little pennies where Vlad can give him. When it established long time, say, you know, careful how you talk on Vlad TV and things like that, regarding what sort of stereotype them have about Vlad and all them things there. You know, see? Yet still, a guy still go on the TV, go say a thing like that, where I wonder, is one to this guy, yeah, it's how he's immune from prosecution that much in America, where it's a predominantly white country, and we know the relationship between America and black people and things like that. That's now a hidden secret and all them sort of something there. Yet, a guy feel brave and pumpy up himself here, I wonder if it's a systematic plan and it was just a tool in getting rid of Tupac, because Tupac was a definite rebel. You see, it a revolutionist type of nature with the type of lyrics them when talk and them sort of thing there. Enough. You understand what I say? So one had was to wonder what make this guy feel so brave and, you know, like L.A. Lewis would say, subolious, because you have to use them sort of term there for define them sort of mentality there and them sort of action the Rasta. You see, or you know, if you do a thing like that at a time when you know, your blood a boil or anything like that, over time, you're supposed to sit back after so many years. You're supposed to sit back and look into that and know, say, you know, say, either thing that could talk out or whatever, you know, it shouldn't be like that. So you know yourself have a certain, you know, a certain humility regarding that. But no, national TV the other day, a guy gone and can't talk about, well, even YouTube bigger than national TV, than any national TV anyway. Man gone upon them thing, they gonna talk how much him only want one, tell Mike Tyson I only want 1 minute with him. You know, he's a star anyway, tell him to shut them and keep out. I say, them guys are not normal. You know, And if them prepare for inform on themselves like that, how much other people, you know? So with that video there, I think that video there is circumstantial evidence, you know, and jury seeing a video like that, you know, it, in my view, Rasta, given the nature of the crime, the victim of the crime, you know, the jury now gonna really need much convincing, and that is a lot of convincing. No, Rasta, you know, yeah, you know, it's a sad story, Rasta, because at the end of the day, when you look on it, you know, Tupac meant a lot to a lot of people. It meant a lot to the whole black community. Probably if Tupac was alive right now, the whole nature of black America would have been under a different focus. You know, see, different mentality. Probably they would have been more value upon one another life than when you see a go on, well, leading up to now. You know, see, no disrespect, Rasta. You know, see, but, you know, a man dig him on a grave, and what can you do when them things happen? You know, see, you have to just sit back and watch, and just know, say, it's the judgment. You know, see, at 60-year-old, you know, probably if he did convicted at the time when he do it, he would have looked for a come out of prison, you know, maybe, because from 1996 till now, this would have be like 27 years. Basically, you know, see, so I would have probably come out or close to come out, you know, but not never happened before the time still, you know, see it, and for film time now, I just film time now, you know, but I man never appreciate love that, and I don't care who I love that or whatever, for whatever reason, Rasta, you know, see, it's about time we stop kill we profit them, you know, see, big idiot thing that was a big idiot thing, and today it still is a big idiot thing, and even though Keefe did get arrested and probably last for the few days we have left on this planet, yeah? You know, it's a just deserve, just reward, you know, as far as I'm concerned. Subliminally, not even subliminally, you know, probably consciously too, him admit doing it pan Vlad. You know, see, and in some ways, I think him did admit it to the feds, but him get immunity. You know, see it, and this is because the Los Angeles police are up in arms with the feds, because Los Angeles police did I say, but you know, have no consultation with us. You know, see it, or if you give immunity at a time when we have a live investigation going on regarding the demise of Tupac Shakur. You know, see, yet still the feds, for some reason, the amount of people when going to sell, forget them the immunity there. You know, because him confess it and discuss it in details with the feds. You know? So, you know, them promise him immunity if him tell him story, if him tell them what happened. And him did tell them what happened, Rasta. And I mean, I know anywhere in the world where you go and say, you basically know what was going to happen. And yet still you put yourself in the position to make it happen. You even was the driver of the car, admittedly to being the driver of the car. And no say, the guy where did organize to do the shooting, get cold feet in at the end, and another man take the gap and deal with it. See, this was the argument. And this more than likely would have been the admission to the 5-0. But with the bird brain, the chicken mentality with amongst us, a man feel like say, because I didn't pull the trigger, I'm not involved. You know, see, the least you could have asked for this is a conspiracy charge, Rasta. You know, see, and that tantamount to the same murder. Murder charge. You see what I say? So, you know, justice is long and winding, but, you know, eventually it going to crack up on a guy. Especially with them high-profile case there. See? So, once again, I give thanks, Rasta. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.
Yeah.